Whenever you're going to take any sort of home health test or use any sort of home healthcare product, or if you're a professional in the healthcare industry, you should know enough to always read the instructions first and read them thoroughly. The test we're using today was obtained for $60, and it's an expensive error to make to have to use it to retest. So right here I have the instructions that I've removed from the test package, and I'm just going to take you through a few basics. And it says right here in red, read all instructions before you prick your finger to obtain the sample to test. Warnings come first. Hemophiliacs, or people using anticoagulant therapy, should consult their physician before using this kit. Two popular anticoagulants are Coumadin and heparin, just two names off the top of my head to give you. Keep out of the reach of children. Do not use any part of this kit internally. You may experience dizziness while collecting your blood spot sample, and that can come as a surprise to people. People think getting a finger prick for a blood test is no big deal. They've had it done in the doctor's office before. But given the tension that can exist with an HIV test, sometimes people see their own blood in the context of testing for HIV, and it gets to be a bit much. So I actually encourage doing this and any other home blood test sitting down to avoid any sort of injury from fainting.